Welcome to the Deutsche Goldmesse, to the German Gold Show YouTube channel. My name is Kai Hoffmann, I'm the host of the Deutsche Goldmesse, and it's my pleasure to introduce you to Blaine Monaghan. He's the president and CEO over at Pacific Ridge Exploration, and I'm looking forward to catching up and hearing from him about his company. Blaine, thanks so much for joining us.
Thanks, Kai. Thanks for having me on. Yeah, it's been pretty busy. We're looking forward to getting back to Frankfurt. It's been a few years, so the timing is absolutely right.
Absolutely. Very, very important to come out. $3,900, the future is gold. Absolutely fantastic. Blaine, let's get us started. Overview of the company. Give us a 60-second overview. Who is Pacific Ridge?
Yeah, Pacific Ridge is focused on copper in British Columbia, and copper is probably the most important metal of the modern world. We are focused on copper in British Columbia, and our goal is to become BC's leading copper exploration company. We control 5 copper gold porphyry projects in BC, and we just reported an initial resource from our flagship project, Kliyul, and we're expecting drill results with high-grade potential discovery at the RDP copper gold project.
Fantastic. Thanks for that overview there, Blaine. Run us a bit through the business plan. Like, what's the strategy? What does a potential exit look like for you?
Yeah, we identified copper a number of years ago as being really attractive. The supply-demand gap was apparent to us at the time when we first acquired Kliyul, or the option to acquire Kliyul in 2020. Copper was just trading slightly north of $2. It's now trading close to $5. And the fundamentals just continue to get better. So analysts always forecasted a supply-demand gap, and that just continues to be exacerbated, not only because there haven't been enough new discoveries, but a lot of the producing mines are mature, or you continue to see shutdowns, whether that's due to geotechnical issues or political, social, environmental risks in Central and South America. So we're very bullish on copper. Copper in BC in particularly, safe copper in a tier 1 jurisdiction. And we continue to see senior and mid-tier companies get active in BC, whether through joint venture, strategic investments, or acquisition. And ultimately, that's what we're looking to do, is outline something big enough and economically robust that's going to attract M&A.
Fantastic. Yeah, no, appreciate that, Blaine. Run us a bit through the catalysts. What can we expect near to midterm here?
Well, it's been a very busy few quarters for us. In June, we partnered with Fiore Group, and that's Frank Giustra's private equity company that's principally invested in resource stocks. They helped inject $3 million into the company, which really got us off the mat and enabled us to return to RDP, which had returned one of BC's best copper gold intervals in 2022. It enabled us to return to Kliyul to do some infill and resource expansion drilling. We just filed our 43-101 report for Kliyul. We just closed a $4.65 million oversubscribed financing. So the next big catalyst for us now are drill results from RDP and Kliyul. I think they have the potential to deliver significant drill results, and that could be, the catalyst for a re-rating.
Fantastic. Yeah. Why should investors, or maybe a bit of a summary question there, why should investors meet with you in Frankfurt, Blaine, either one-on-one or attend your presentation?
Well, I think we are one of BC's leading copper gold exploration companies. We are partnered with the Fiore Group, and again, that's led by Frank Giustra. So I think investors can take a lot of comfort that our projects, our team, and our strategy has already been well vetted by some of the best out there. Our share structure is very attractive. We're cashed up, and we're awaiting drill results. And any of those results could result in significant re-rating. So I think this is absolutely the right time for investors to either learn about the story or get reacquainted with the story.
Fantastic, Blaine. Really appreciate that little teaser. I think we you did a good job wetting our whistle. It's very difficult to see a lot of W's back to back.
Yeah.
No, really appreciate you joining us. Can't wait to host you in Frankfurt, Blaine. Looking forward to seeing you in person, and much appreciate your time today to give us that little teaser. Much appreciate that, Blaine. Looking forward to seeing you. Safe travels.
Thanks, Kai.
everybody else, thanks so much. Make sure to register for Deutsche Goldmesse at deutschegoldmesse.com or germangoldshow.com. We're making it easier by having reserved the English domain as well. And make sure to join us. We got fantastic keynotes joining us: Rick Rule, Keith Neumeyer, Alex Greiner, Markus Bussler, David Finch, and John Forward, just to mention the main keynotes here. And can't wait to host you in Frankfurt. It's free to attend for investors. Make use of that. Meet some CEOs, meet Blaine, meet the keynotes. Can't wait to host you. Thanks so much for tuning in. Take care.